Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. I got a project today, boy. I'm going to rearrange my shelves. And I put a new shelf in here. It ended up being too tight, and it really frustrates me because when you push in the tray, the plants all bend over and there's not enough room, the light don't hit them right and everything. So today that's the project, and here I go. As you can see here, I end up only having a couple inches. The 2x4 wasn't in the way, it would work, but in the way. And like this here, look how dark it is in the back. And the front got light, but the back doesn't. Here's another issue. I'll plug in right where I need to go. So somehow I got to rewire all this, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. So let's get started, I guess. Hello everybody. Well, I about got her done. Took most of the day, but it's a lot better than it was, that's for sure. Let me show you here. Alright, there's the top shelf. I got about 11 or 12 inches of clearance up there. And here, you've got 11 inches. The bottom of the 2x4, but there's a little more in there. And here we got pretty much the same thing, and here too. So they're all about 11 inches. Looks like my light's hitting them a lot better now. I haven't decided if I'm going to extend this shelf out even here. We'll see how it goes. I don't need the extra room right now, but I don't know how hard it is going to be to come in here and pull these out. We'll see. But overall, I'm happy with the way it turned out. See, that outlet over there was what I was limited by. I wanted to move that one up or down, and I decided to leave that one stay and then take the one out in the middle up here and then move that one down. And so this one here I was able to leave, and I moved all the other ones. But now I have room for one more, so I can even it out here, so I could pull it out like this. But we'll see. Might be nice to have this big area that I can work on. Anyways, that's where we're at. I did add another 2 Harbor Freight lights. I put 4 lights up there. So that should be enough light up there. Those lights are not anywhere near as bright as these other ones. So there we are. So the lesson that I learned is to plan your outlets beforehand and plan how many shelves you're going to have beforehand. It'll sure make it a lot easier. I started out with 1 shelf, but it didn't take me very long to outgrow that. And so then I started adding, and next thing you know, I was kind of overcrowded and I didn't have enough room up there. But I think 1 more shelf I could possibly have, and that's where I would call it quits. We'll have to see if I need it or not. So everything turned out really well. Only thing that I had to sacrifice is my baby garden tower. A baby garden tower just to slide underneath my bench here, underneath my shelf, and now it's too low. I could take some layers off, but I'd have to take them all off except one, and that kind of seems kind of weird, but you know, we'll see what happens. But for tonight, I'm just gonna slide it in here and get the light that overflows from this. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for watching.